make slushies.
First you add the jelly.
It's so much fun.
And then you choose a flavour.
Jelly-tastic. Makes yummy yummies too.
Get some jelly in your belly with the awesome jelly.
From John Adams.
Does that look fun?
Yeah.
You fancy a jelly fun, Eliza?
Oh my god, am I a ghoul? What is this? Hi guys, welcome back to Liza's World. Here we go, this is what we're making.
Before we unbox this, what we need to do is remind you to follow us on Instagram at
Eliza's World Kiss.
Please remember to like and subscribe this video for much more of product reviews and crafts, DIYs. You look very excited to unbox these. Shall we get going?
Yeah. Let's go!
This is the John Adams Jelly Fun Maker, and we thought while it was the school holidays it would be the perfect time to try out a craft kit.
Wow!
And as we like jelly and fun,
I look fun.
this ticks all of the boxes. £5.99 in Home Bargains. However, if you buy it on Amazon, it's £12.29 at the time of filming.
So guys, it says in the instructions, make slushy style drinks without the chill. Use any jelly to fill the course. Choose a flavour, turn the handle to make some jelly slush. Make gummies using gummy tray and add extra flavour. The delicious, juicy, the juicy, jelly-tastic jelly fun maker. Make 4. So 1, add jelly. 2, select flavour. 3, roll it to serve. And 4, make gummies. Mix flavours for colourful cocktails.
So we're just going to unbox it and straight
Oh
away.
my god, I'm so excited.
This is what we have inside the box. We have these things.
You can
cups
just going to check
and we have some yellow plastic and some blue plastic and some instructions.
We've got yellow, red, clear.
And then the base. Should we do an Eddie Crafter? All of these things and one sheet, one double-sided sheet of instructions with drawn instructions, not actual pictures for guidance.
So guys, I'll open this at the end.
It is set up, that one right here just yet.
So I'll open these.
So these are the instructions.
I'll open
This was the smiley face, that was the strawberry, that was the lips, I think that was the ice cream.
No,
and
that's the ice cream, that's the music note right there, that's the music note. And what's this little bit?
That was a bit of lip, I think.
Okay.
Do you want to try a bit of lip? You couldn't push them out. They got stuck in there. And this one was the heartless jelly, so it was a good jelly. Let's try a jelly slushie. So how to make a jelly slushie. Remove the jelly from the fridge or freezer. Take the carousel and make sure it's blocked at the bottom, where the spoon isn't big enough. I'll put some orange jelly in there. Do you want to turn it round? So the red jelly.
And then we're going to do one with two.
I'm going to leave that open. Okay. So we'll put a bit of red in and a bit of orange. Another one.
So guys, what I just did is I tried some orange here. It was, the aftertaste had like sourness, but the first bit was like the first time you like suck it, it doesn't have any flavour. But then the next time it's just completely orange. It was wonderful.
Okay. And then we need to put that in the hole. That's going to be the first one we use. Mixture one. Okay. Right, and then we're going to open the slot. And then Eliza's going to turn the wheel. And hopefully, yay!
For this bit, I would actually give this a 10 out of 10.
Hang on, that's it. Yeah, let me
10 out of 10
go on then,
already.
turn the handle.
10 out of 10 already, and we haven't even tasted it. Ooh.
Oh, okay. Oh, I just think that this is going to break. Okay, just leave that like that.
Okay, we're just going to open this up.
And we're going to close that to cut the jelly off, hopefully. Now that does actually look delicious, because that's what it said to do. And it's a shame we couldn't find any other colours. This is yours. So we're going to add a little bit of juice.
Oh wow, it's bubbling.
Let me just show the camera. That smells delicious. So you try. You have the first try.
Okay, let's see.
I can see it going up. Well, Eliza seems happy with that one. Usability. This is not good. Right, a mould you should be able to get the item back out of after. This is what we was left with gummy wise. This is our best gummy. Eliza, are you pleased with your gummy side of your jelly food maker? That was the smiley
Yeah,
face.
we still have a little smile, can you?
Yeah, you can kind of see it. For the main part of the kit, this bit was quite fun. It actually did work. So, Eliza, scores out of 10 for this product.
You could really get fabulous designs. Well, look at that. It's fabulous.
Yeah.
And also, this thing actually works.
Okay. It's very cool. Do you want to give it more than 2?
3.
You want to give it 3 out of 10? Well, I would actually give it 4 out of 10. I think it's one of the better.
Oh yeah, 4.
I think it's one of the better John Adams sets we've had, and for paying just $5.99 for it, I don't feel as ripped off as if I was paying £12 or £20 for it. I think
Squash that jelly.
as a rainy day, school, holiday activity, it's fun.
So guys, follow us on Instagram. Yeah, we need that Instagram. We do amazing pictures there and spoilers for the next things. Make sure you go there and you want to know what's going on next in the next video. Go and join us in the next video, and I'll see you guys all next time on Eliza's World. Bye! Bye!
Bye!